Hello again. In this video, we're going to look at how to use flex editing. Now, in this example, we're going to match up the vocals here. We're going to tidy them up here. We can see things like they're not ending at the right places. Some of them aren't starting at the right places. And if we listen to it, we can hear there's slightly some disparity there between them.
What do you do?
See with the D's there.
What do you do?
Yeah, they're not quite in line. So what do we need to do is we need to use flex edit. So you turn on flex edit with this button here. And then you have to analyze the track. So we'll just click on these. It's analyzing the transients in the track. Transients are points of high level. We do that for all of them. And we've now highlighted them all. And you can see it started making these little sort of dotted lines across. And those are the transients that we've got to work with. So the main one here we've got an issue with is the BV2. So if we just click into that, and we can see it comes down here in the editor. Again, we have to turn it on here as well, otherwise we can't see it. And we can then edit either from this window or from this window. So if I just expand this out, because I want to see it in relation to the other things, it's easier to do it in the main window. Okay, so what you really need to be aware of is this line is very important in the middle. So above the line, you see you get one vertical line, and below it you get three. So what that means is if I click on here and create this flex point and move, it will move everything around. Okay, so it's not actually stopping it moving the whole track. So that's useful for some cases, but not in this case. So what we need to do is we need to use below the line, and that will create 2 points on either side of the central line which you can move from. So you see, basically I'm keeping the rest of the track fine apart from the bit that I'm editing. So let's just line that up a bit. Create a point here. Just click in there, and we can lower that down a bit so it's more in time. In fact, what I think we'll do is we'll try and get it in time with the lead vocal. So we sort of move it like that, and this can go a bit forwards like that, something like that. And then let's have a listen.
What do you do? What do you do?
It sounds better. It's a bit too much. So again, create a line here. We can create a line there, and we just push this back like so.
What do you do?
There we go. Much tighter on the ending there.
What do you do?
And that is flex editing. Now you've got different modes. It automatically chooses a mode that you want. You have all these different ones that you can use from. Now I recommend that you look up them if you were interested. The other one is flex pitch, which we don't use that much, but it's essentially like an auto tune. And I'll do another video for that, but not in this series. So there you go. That is flex editing.